When STEM and social emotional learning join forces, the opportunity to develop both personally and academically is fantastic. Hi, my name is Jessica Ventry. Join me as we explore how PCS Edventures' two enrichment programs, BrickLab Brain Builders, grades 1 through 3, and Drone Designers, grades 4 through 8, inspire learners to develop impressive designs and healthy identities that they'll carry with them throughout their lives. In our blog post, STEM for SEL Support, you'll discover how our STEM instruction helps educators facilitate memorable, team-building lessons that meet learners' social-emotional needs. Designed around 21st century skills and habits of mind, see how our programs help learners develop the Castle 5: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making skills. Give your learners well-rounded instruction that engages the mind and cares for the heart. Let us know how you include SEL within your STEM instruction by leaving a comment. And be sure to check out BrickLab Brain Builders and Drone Designers for hands-on experiences your learners won't want to miss.